3, 2, 1, go. Left 5, continue to 100, over bump, right 6, bump dip, caution slow, into hairpin right.
This is the new Moza HBP Handbrake. In the box is the handbrake base, the lever with the handle attached, a USB and RJ45 cable, rubber bumper, thicker spring and a spare rubber stop pad. The tools for installation including spanners, screwdrivers and Allen keys, and also included is the mounting hardware. The handbrake body has a solid feel and is CNC machined aluminium with a sleek black anodised finish. On the side is the cover for the sensor and the connection ports. This handbrake also has springs that can be changed out to adjust the brake lever force. The mounting points are found on the bottom of the handbrake, with 6 holes at the ends and 1 threaded M6 hole towards the centre. The 2 outer holes on the centre line measure approximately 125mm apart. The lever is CNC machined with a removable screw-on handle, allowing for easy customisation with interchangeable handles. The handbrake has options to mount the lever in a horizontal or vertical position, with various adjustments of height and angle in between. Mounting the lever is completed by using the included bolts and washers. To install, place washers on the bolts, then align the lever with the handbrake in the preferred position and install 2 bolts. On the opposite side, place 1 flat washer, a spring washer and the cap nut. Then tighten the bolts with the included spanners to secure the handle. The handbrake has approximately 10 centimeters of travel using the standard spring and end stop positions. There are options to adjust and customize the lever force and the end stop. To adjust either component, first remove the top cover by unscrewing the 4 screws. Inside, the handbrake is configured with the yellow standard spring and the end stop in the back standard position. The end stop position can be easily adjusted to shorten the throw of the lever. This is completed simply by removing the bolts either side. Then moving the end stop with the rubber pad in closer towards the handle and reinstalling the bolts to give the handbrake lever a shorter throw. By adjusting the end stop to the closer, shorter position, it reduces the travel from approximately 10 centimeters down to 2.5 centimeters. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the short and long travel differences. The tension or force needed to pull the lever is adjustable, and there are 3 options for customizing the lever feel. This can be achieved by using the standard yellow spring, the firmer blue spring, or the rubber bumper. Changing the springs is a simple process completed by first removing the 2 bolts either side, then lifting up on the spring assembly and unscrewing the spring bolt. Removing the spring bolts and spring plate allows access to the spring. This can be changed out to the preferred spring or rubber bumper. Reinstall the spring plate and the spring bolt, making sure the rubber O-ring is in place. Realign the spring assembly with the handbrake body and reinstall the 4 bolts. Then reinstall the cover and the 4 screws to complete. Installing the rubber bumper requires using the 2 larger washers. One is installed first, then the rubber bumper, and the second washer before installing the spring plate and bolts. Under the side cover of the handbrake are the electronics, with a non-contact 16-bit high-precision angle sensor providing accuracy and a long maintenance-free life. The handbrake can be mounted to a sim rig or to an optional table clamp for desk users. The optional table clamp is either used for a shifter or a handbrake. The table clamp is made of a high-strength steel and has a solid 4mm mounting base. It has threaded holes on the outer edges for easy installation. The handbrake is aligned with the centre mounting holes on the table clamp. Then it is attached by using the included bolts from the handbrake kit. With the handbrake attached, the table clamps are opened. The table clamp will fit desks up to 60mm in thickness. The two clamps are tightened to secure the handbrake to the desk. The handbrake can be connected to a compatible Moza wheelbase with a handbrake port or directly to a PC via the USB port for use with any wheelbase. Before using the handbrake, open the Pit House software and on the left-hand side select the handbrake icon. The calibration is a quick and easy process. To calibrate the handbrake, simply click on Start Calibration and within 10 seconds pull the lever to the maximum position and release. The handbrake has the option to be set in two different modes, which is axis for full modulation in analog mode and the button mode to be set as an on-off switch. Axis mode also has adjustable output curve options. These can be customised if required. The button mode has an adjustable threshold trigger point for when the button is pressed. This can be set and adjusted on the slider. When set, this will initiate the handbrake button signal early or later when pulling the lever. The Moza HBP Handbrake makes for an excellent addition to a rally or drifting simulator setup. It performs well with the precision angle sensor, has a solid high quality build and easy to set up. It offers a complete range of adjustability for the handle position, a variety of spring tension configurations and adjustable end stops, all allowing for the user to dial in the perfect handbrake feel for their preference.
To left 560